seminal year when Nigeria celebrates 100 years of existence as a strong, united, and indivisible country. It is therefore a good omen that we are starting the year by giving light to our people, especially in the rural communities. Operation Light Up Rural Nigeria has been initiated under the second phase of our power sector reform program planned for the post-privatization period. The initiative has been conceived by our administration primarily to promote the use of renewable energy, thereby assisting in our vision of providing reliable electricity supply to all Nigerians, regardless of where they live or work. It is also designed to assist us achieve energy security through a balanced energy mix using solar, wind, hydro, and biomass, of course, as explained by the Honorable Minister of Power, as well as address climate change challenges and promote sustainable development. Considering the recent progress made in our power sector privatization program, including the physical handover of the PACN successor companies to private sector investors on November 1, 2013, the burden of developing power infrastructure, particularly generation and distribution capacity expansion, will now shift from the federal government to the new owners. However, the federal and state governments will continue to shoulder the overall sovereign obligations of providing electricity to our people. This is in recognition of the fact that power supply still remains a social responsibility, which we take very, very seriously. Even as it is also a paramount infrastructure needed for national growth and economic development. Operation Light Up Rural Nigeria is one of the several interventions designed to serve as a launchpad for addressing the problems of electricity access in remote and rural areas of Nigeria where grid power supply may not be economical at the moment. This is, however, not an alternative to grid connection for all our communities in the country, which we hope to achieve in the near future. We, however, hope that this will provide efficient, environmentally friendly, safe, and affordable power supply to our people in the interim. The first phase of Operation Light Up Rural Nigeria, which is being commissioned today, consists of 3 communities in the Federal Capital Territory, Safi, Waru, and Drome that we are here today, with over 1,600 homes electrified. This is to kickstart the initiative in the 36 states of the Federation, with each state having at least 3 communities electrified under the first phase of the program. As part of this initiative, the federal government will, within the first quarter of 2014, launch new policies to support renewable energy as follows: the National Renewable Energy and Energy Efficiency Policy, the Rural Electrification Strategy Plan, and the Rural Electrification Strategy Plan. These efforts will enable the full energy of private sector in more effective manner into the off-grid renewable energy, energy efficiency, and rural electrification subsector to complement government's effort of universal access to electricity. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to use this opportunity to Nigerians, and particularly corporate government, in effectively operationalizing this initiative. Furthermore, I urge all patriotic Nigerians to work with government and the operators in the industry by watching over the power infrastructure in their jurisdictions. This will avert the numerous reported acts of sabotage witnessed in recent times, which are believed to be deliberately which is believed to be deliberately done to disrupt the power sector for some unknown reasons. It is noteworthy that the Idurumi project will electrify over 1,000 households within this community, as well as lights and sustain community energy hubs for commercial activities. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is my singular responsibility and honor today to proceed and formally commission the Idurumi Solar Power Electrification Project and to flag off the Operation Light Up Rural Nigeria to the glory of God and enduring benefit of all of us. I thank you all.
Just remain where you are, please.